Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video I'll be making rainbow salad for you guys. Rainbow bean salad with some beautiful nice color to it, with a nice kick flavor. So if you want to see how I make that, please stick around and watch this video until the end. If you aren't already subscribed, like, share, leave a comment down below, and share. What we're gonna use to make this salad, we're gonna use some purple onion, half a lime, some vinegar, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, kidney bean, black bean, and we're gonna use some corn, some fresh basil. We're gonna use some fresh basil. We're gonna use pepper flakes, olive oil. And that's about it. That's what we're gonna use to make the 3-bean salad or rainbow salad. First, we're gonna start by making our vinaigrette. We're gonna start by making the sauce to put on top. So we're gonna use one cup. We're gonna use 1 cup of vinaigrette. We're gonna use 1 cup of balsamic vinegar. This one. And I'm gonna add half cup of virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add half cup of virgin olive oil to it. I'm gonna squeeze the lime into it to give it that extra kick. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of pepper flakes. And now I'm gonna whisk this together. Then I'm gonna set this aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the beans. So you have the black bean and you got the kidney bean. You can use whichever beans you like. Choose 3 of your favorite beans or 2 of your favorite beans. So now I'm gonna wash these off. I'm gonna wash these off properly and come back and drain. Wash and drain these off. Finish washing these beans. Now I drain them, and now I'm gonna add them to my bowl. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up these. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the onion. I'm gonna use half. And this is good in fiber and protein. If you're on a protein diet, this is good for you. Good fiber and good protein. And a delicious flavor and some beautiful colors. Beautiful color, beautiful flavor. For those of you guys who eat with their eye, this is the right salad for you. And this is a salad rich in protein. On this channel we do video cooking tutorial. So if you have any video requests, you can also leave a comment down below on what you would like for us to make next on our next video. And if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. These onions are making me cry. Now I'm gonna go ahead. And do the red bell pepper. I'm gonna do the peppers. You want to take out the seeds. You want to ensure that you take out all of the seeds. Unless you like seed, you can leave them in there. And I already washed my bell peppers. Everything is nicely washed. So you want your salad to be very colorful. You can use whatever vegetable you want to use in it, just to give it some color. But I'll choose these and the green. So I'm gonna dice these up. Not too big. Look at that. Look how it's beautiful already. Look at that. Oh my God. Tell you guys, if you bring this at a barbecue or Thanksgiving, this leaves in no time. Just the color alone is gonna attract people to come and want it. Telling you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the fresh parsley to it. I'm gonna save some on top, and I'm gonna add the vinegar. And I'm gonna just drizzle this on top. Now I'm gonna mix this together so everything is nicely combined. Oh my god, look at this beautiful color. Look at the color. Now I'm just gonna top this off with some fresh basil, the remaining basil that I have leave. And voila, there you have it, guys. Look at this beautiful bean salad. Look at this beautiful bean salad. Look inside. Look inside, guys. Isn't this mouth-watering? Isn't this something like you want to eat right now? Healthy and delicious, crunchy, mouth-watering, eye-catching. Look at this, guys. You don't want to miss this. Go ahead and make yourself some bean salad right now. Grab some bean in your kitchen and go ahead and make this right now. A good source of protein, a good source of fiber, and it's so delicious. You can eat as a side. Put this on the side to eat with anything or whatever you want to eat with. You can eat this with some jerk chicken. You can eat this with some rice. You can eat, you name it. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to this channel. And go ahead and hit that like button. When you hit that like button or leave a comment down below, you're doing so much for this channel or supporting this channel. So please hit the like button if you like this video.